Before I got into the band, I eagerly followed the musicians around or hosted their practice in the town, held or outdoors. I even asked my friends to walk along with we drank hot leaves and cups, plastic bottles with scent in them, or cola cans filled with pebbles. We met nurses slowly, little by little, they all got tired of following me around. I knew it was time to try out the real deal. I did a few auditions. The first time was a disaster. I couldn't get my breath and I started to cry. I just want to run home, but the leader was very understanding. He picked an appointment for the following week. The explained how to relax and breathing technique. So I practiced everything he taught me. I went around the house making drum noises and piano sounds that helped me out. The next time I had prepared everything, but I did not play well enough because I was still nervous, but not as much as the first one. I told the leader that I needed a bit more time. The third time was a completely different story. I enjoyed it. Then one Saturday morning, I played in front of the whole band and they clapped. The leader said, "Let's welcome better to the band. He deserves his place." I was just so happy and I was very proud of myself. They gave me the band uniform.